pound PDL prop today. I was just looking at my Motor Guide prop, and they're the same depth from there to there, approximately. Shaft sizes are different. I ordered a new one, actually ordered 2 new ones. They won't be here. It's Memorial Day weekend. I want to get back out on the water, so I'm going to drill this out, give it a shot. It's got the same pins, slightly different size shaft. If it works, it's a good Walmart hack. Got a 3/8 drill bit, fits the hole perfect. One size up would be better, but I don't have it. I'm going to take a little bit out, a little bit of friction. Okay, got her drilled. Slide it on here, line up the pin. Probably 2 sizes bigger in the shaft. You can see I have a pretty good gap here between the threads and the prop, but it spins just fine. I'm thinking I'll pick up some washers to fill that gap, like so, and put the nut back on. See how that treats it. Check the pitch. Is the pitch even? Yep, pitch is the same direction. I won't have to pedal backwards. Get some supplies. I filed it down. It had a lip here. It had a lip here. Hopefully you got a belt sander, because I don't. I used a piece of concrete. File, chisels. Concrete actually worked best. Keeps it flat. Use the drill bit for a minute and then use the concrete to flatten it back out. Fun times, but not really. Line up the pin lines up. It's not dragging here anymore. Sounds like it will rub on those 2 little bolt heads, I believe. I believe in metal on metal, so it should heat it down. We're going to give this a try. 3/8 washers. Requires more than I had before. Threads are not quite there. I realize none of this is going to be balanced, but it's way better than running with 1 blade on a 2-blade prop. I hope. We will try. Lock it down. Okay. Nope. Probably won't spin. Like I said, it was hitting, I believe, on the inside there. Let me find out where it's hitting and fix it. So there's little fins in here. It was rubbing around this part. So I took a drill, knocked those down. Hopefully I knocked them down enough. And lined the pin up. Pushed pretty hard. I don't feel like it's rubbing too much. We're gonna try it. Stack of washers, maybe even more now. I know it's ridiculous, but I want to go fishing tonight. 9/16. And by the way, this is a Minn Kota machete prop. And I will just order another one for my trolling motor on my boat. But I want my kayak running, so that spins without slipping the key. Not great, still rubbing, but I think I can make it free up. So we're gonna take that on the water, give it a try, let you know. Okay, so I decided to loosen the nut just a bit. Do some seriously good spinning. Maybe go just a hair tighter. Do the same thing. Just let this dry for a bit. Who knows, this may push more water than the original prop. Too tight. Let's see this. Is it rubbing there again? Yeah. Better file that down a bit. It could hurt that part. Okay, be back. This is what we got so far. Not quiet, but I'm gonna go try it. Okay, first test here. I'll try to get it below. Okay, it fit through. That's good news. Open it up. Get it down. Pedals. My rudder's not down. Almost no resistance compared to before. Yeah, compared to factory prop, it just barely moves. I mean, it's damn sure easier to paddle. But it's slower. It's a lot slower. But I have an engine, so I'll try that. It's crazy easy to pedal though. Couldn't get any speed if you wanted to. I mean, it'd be cardio, not strength. It'll work for this weekend. See, at full speed, that prop is, or my pedals rather, are moving a lot faster. But I guess I'm just gonna fish. Let's see how this goes.